Do is take this clip, and I want each one of these clips to be about 3 seconds long. We don't need any more than that in the presentation. And it's easier to trim those clips before I put them into the timeline, which is over here. So notice that the length of this clip, it's down here. It's now 4 seconds and 29. It's 4 seconds and 29 frames. That's almost 5 seconds. What I'm going to do, I want to grab this by the very end, and I'm going to shorten this down to 3. All right, I'm shortening it to 3 seconds. That's about all we really need for each one of these, for most of these. Now you can make them a little more, a little less, depending on, as you go through and, fine tune them. But I'm just going to say basically 3 seconds for now. All right, so I'm going to go through each one of these, and I'm going to bring them down to 3 seconds. It's a little bit of a tedious process, but it doesn't take very long. It's really simple. All I'm doing is I'm double clicking on each one of these, and I'm bringing it down to 3 seconds. Just going through all of my clips. And down here, you can slide these, all right, so you can see where we are. And continuing this, all right. Whoops. And we're almost done. Got one more. There it is. All right. And then Miles Davis, this MP3 will we'll shorten this once we drop it in. So we've got all of our clips. They're at 3 seconds. So what we want to do is select. We're going to hit Command A. Select one of the clips. Hit Command A. Now they're all selected. Notice it says right up here, 14 of 14 items selected. All right. And while they're all selected, I'm just going to click, hold, and drag them all the way over here and drop the media right there. Now notice what's happened. Once we've dropped media on the timeline, you can see all our tracks. What we have to start off with, we've got 3 video tracks. You've got video 1, video 2, video 3, and then we've got audio 1, 2, and 3. And notice that all of our clips got dropped on the proper track. The video got dropped here in video 1 track, and the audio, the MP3, got dropped here on this track. And we can see it's a lot larger than it needs to be. Now notice right here to the left of the timeline, we've got all our tools. We've got a selection tool, we've got a zoom tool. I'm going to use this zoom tool here and just zoom in so we can kind of see what's going on the timeline. I'm going to slide it back to the beginning. We're going to slide this back to the beginning of the timeline, all the way back. All right. And notice we've got, we've zoomed in, and we can select our, and we've got, if I slide this a little bit, it kind of brings these down to manageable sizes to look at. And when I slide this along, we've got the music. What I want to do is bring this music in. We know that all of these are 3 seconds long. I'm just going to bring the music in to the very beginning. And then we're going to see how this looks. Notice that this blue cursor is right up here at the beginning. And if I just hit my space bar, over here on the right, it's showing. I'll turn it down a little bit. All right, it's showing all my visuals. Each shot is over here on the right, and my music is being timed out. Now, so basically this is all fine. What I need to do though is at the very end, I need to fade my music out.